What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? Hope everybody doing good or whatever. But got some things to do. Damn, the battery going dead. But yeah, I'll do this real quick. I'm trying to get these lights. I'm gonna put these lights on my girlfriend's car. She got just LEDs. When I was driving it the other day, you can't hardly see with her lights, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in. But they gave me one with no adapter on it, like a plug or whatever. So I'm gonna go to AutoZone and see if they got one, and I'm gonna go from there. Let's see what they look like. But I can see it all around, cause I put the the LED lights on the strip. I got on her headlights, just like I got on my car, on my headlights. So I got the strip on hers, and I'm about to put these LED lights on it. But let me see if they got a little adapter for this plug. Yeah, AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, and we're gonna see what it do. What's up? What's up? I'm back. Battery went dead. It's another whole day. Yeah, I was showing the headlights, so I did go to AutoZone, but they ain't had an adapter for it. I found out that it was the headlights that I got was for the high beams, so that was the H7. I needed the H11, so I got to order another set. They gave me two of them. They're supposed to give me the high beams and the low beams. So I give them one of the high beams back, so I can go ahead and get the low beams for it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go outside and show y'all what it look like. Show y'all the installments and stuff. Yeah, I'm gonna show y'all a little bit what she wanna do to her car. Kind of cold out here. No shoes on. Make sure it's focusing. With it. Yeah. Tell you everything that's one of the YouTube car. Man, it's so loud as fuck. Hold on. Y'all probably can't even hear me. Get a tune up. Get a tune up for her truck. But yeah, here we go. Turn this around. We got the high beam. These are easy to get to, and the low beam versus my car. My car, shit, gotta take shit out. The high beams and the low beams. Yeah, take all. Twist this off. It's kind of tight. The only thing about this one is I don't know how they got that. You know, it's like a little plug for it. And yeah, you see that? I just unplugged it. This piece and how this goes. This the little twisty part that's supposed to go in it, but you see how big this is. It got a little fan on it, and so the old one, I left it in the house. The old one don't have this little bottom piece right here, the bottom fan piece. It just got this little flat part. So when it goes in, the plug is like hooked up. To this light up here, and you just plug it in and twist it in. So by it don't have that. It just got the fan on the bottom of it. I gotta plug this up and push it in. Basically, this right here is holding it in it. So I make sure this is twisted the right way. like turned that way or whatever. However, yeah, it goes that way. So I guess so it could show a wide angle or whatever. And basically you just push that in there like that, and put this top on it against it, so it won't come out. And plus, that's a pretty tight top anyway, so that ain't going nowhere. Hold on, let's see what I can. I got something to put it in. I don't know if y'all can see that. In the sun, I can't really see. Yeah, I can see it a little bit. But yeah, you see how this goes right here? Goes in there like that. I think I got it the right way. And then plus it got like a plus and a negative. Yeah, let's see it. And get it to focus. Yeah, and then y'all can see it. But yeah, it's a plus and a negative. I'm gonna make sure this is hooked up right, cause it don't show plus and a negative on here. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Gotta turn the light. Yep, that is right. But yeah, like I said, damn, this shit bright. Like I said, gotta make sure this is angled right, so it can show, I guess, broad, wide angle. And just push that in there. It goes right into the hole. First I put this part in here. This right here. Push that inside the hole first. You know what I'm saying? And I push that in here. But it's the same concept on the other side, so I'm taking both of them out. Y'all know how it goes. Dang, I don't know if you can hear. It's a low fan. I'll put the camera up close. But yeah, I got it on my car, so it worked pretty good. Only difference is with my car, it's not no plug piece. Going nowhere. It's kind of sunny out here, so I don't know if that. See the high beams right there. Got her little strip light on there. It looked good. It showed real good at night. I want to get some brighter ones. I'm definitely gonna get some brighter ones on my car. But yeah, somebody in the comments showed me how to install my lights from the. Instead of hooking it up to that fuse, I could hook it up to the fuse in the inside. But I do the shout out and whoever sent me that comment, cause I forgot the name. But when I do the video for that, I'm definitely gonna do a video for that, so everybody can see it. I'm gonna do a video on that. I cut it off. But yeah, that's how it goes on her car. She got her little rims. No, I'm about to run out of memory. I ain't deleting it. But she want to put some halos on here. I don't know if she wanted on both of them or just one. I get it on both of them though. It'll look better. They're gonna look tight though. She already got the little circle look. I'll show y'all a installment on that too. And how to, I guess, take the lights off, the plastic or whatever off, and then put the halos in the inside. As far as my car goes, I'm gonna do the same thing with mine too. See, mine only got one circle light. But we'll say that for another day. But I'm definitely gonna go ahead and rewire it. And I'll just take y'all along with me on how to do it or whatever. The dudes in the comments told me about it. I'll give them a shout out in that video once I do it. But yeah, what else I was gonna say? But as far as her truck, she wanna do a lot of things to it. She already got the rims on it. She wanted to get it painted. What else? It's a 2016 Kia Sorento. I think it'll look good though. Hook it up. Should tell her to go ahead and hike it up a little bit. Nah, I wouldn't do that. It should probably look ugly on that truck. But yeah, I hope y'all like the video. I'll see y'all in the next one once I start doing my Nissan Altima. But hope y'all like the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll holler at you later. Peace.